What's up, YouTube? I'm going to be trying some new recording. I'm going to use the GoPro and my DSLR because the DSLR on its own, I am afraid to break it, so it's not going into the areas where I'm working, like the transmission job, all the rear suspension. I didn't really get to record much of that because the camera was far away recording and you couldn't really see anything, and then we had low lighting, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, today I'm going to change out my test pipes for high flow cats because it's too raspy. The test pipes are like shitty eBay brand and they rattle a lot, like just normal driving conditions. So I'm going to do a quick startup and not get the test pipes too hot so you can hear what it sounds like now. And then I will also do another one when the high flow cats are in. Shouldn't take me more than 30 minutes to swap those out. So that's an idea of what the eBay test pipes, still in Y pipe, and circuit works, resonated Y pipe back exhaust. Berk high flow cats right here in this box. You can go on right now. So knock that out, make another video. Okay, cats are on, test pipes are off. Test pipes for sale. I forgot to go grab the GoPro, so my new shooting method already failed. But I'm sure you know what test pipes look like installed in the car, so I'm going to do a little startup so you can hear the difference. Granted, they have to break in, but it should be a lot quieter. That was perfect timing. I don't know if you can still hear that, but some kid around the corner from me has got some like rattle can dirt bike exhaust, so that was good. It sounds actually the same volume. I would say maybe a little bit quieter, a little bit throatier. No noise inside though, so before the shitty test pipes were like rattling, I guess. I don't know. I can't describe the noise I was getting, but maybe it was a heat shield touching something, but there's no noise now. Super good sound, interior is quieter, I don't smell gas. Yeah, so I gotta break them in, see how they sound in like 100 miles once they're heat cycled a couple times. Mission accomplished. Pretty smooth day. Loving the wheel fitment from these ISR uppers. Wheels fit great now. Just need to lower it a little bit more, get a bumper, wrap it. Yeah, lots to do. Alright, stay tuned. Later.